Okay, a little bit better here. Show the length of these guys. Pretty good size, little kids. You can get their head there. They're going to be done in a couple minutes, and then they're going to be mad. So I will need to get out of here when they get done. Oh, yeah. There they are. Pull back so you can see just how long they are. Over this way. Zoom in there a little bit more. No, not that much. New at this. There you go. 2 bull snakes. Getting ready to make babies. They gotta be getting hot. They've been out in the sun here for over an hour. And I know they're gonna be really upset when they get done. So I'm about ready to call it a morning. Because I don't want to have them chasing me. They will come after you.